How to stretch video in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To stretch a video in CapCut, start off by launching a CapCut application in your device. Then select a video that you wish to stretch. Select on the Add button if you are choosing a new video from your gallery. Now over here, to stretch video, there are various of ways. Starting off, you can just tap on the video clip that is in the timeline. Then secondly, just zoom in that is visible on your screen. So this is one of the ways to entirely zoom in and stretch the video in your CapCut. Now if you want to fix the ratio or stretch out the ratio, what you can do is firstly again head back from here, then scroll until you see the option of aspect ratio. Tap on aspect ratio where you will find various of ratios that you can select from. If you're trying to upload this on YouTube, you can click on the YouTube layout. Or if you wish to change any of the ratio, you can do so with a simple click as well. So this is how you stretch a video in CapCut. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.